amazing.
That's why what you see, you might want to get a little.
And my business name is Freddie Blowbrush Productions.
Okay. And how long have you been doing this, Freddie?
About 6 years.
6 years?
6 years.
How'd you find out you could do this?
I had a dream about colors and different colors and the empty pen.
Right.
And the Lord said to me, he said, put two heads together and blow on them.
Okay.
And I started to blow on them like this, but then when I seen that my fingers shaped just like a airbrush, I just turned it.
Okay.
It was like blow on it.
It's crazy.
And they do it. They train even today prisoners to do this thing.
Okay.
Yeah, but mine comes a little complex.
Yeah.
You know, so this is things that I do.
Right.
You know, and I learned there's 3 different dimensions inside here. The very tip is a thin line. The middle is a thick line, and at the very base of the pen, there's a fade. There where you fade your colors in.
Okay. Very cool. That's right.